This dog will definitely win first prize in this year's swimming competition. Once you are a dog hero, you will always want to save all creatures. The dog doesn't want his silly appearance to be seen by anyone. Children don't just want to pretend to be sick to get attention. Dogs do too. Each dog has a different way of eating, but it's all say they're really hungry.
Love. Oh, kisses.
Who doesn't want to be cuddled? This guy too.
You want to go outside?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Is that a goat herding dog or a dog herding goat?
What have you got? What is it?
Look at this dog. It's not sad to play alone. Today's lesson, always know how to save water. Maybe the dog is wondering how his friend magically disappeared. Well, just a warm-up exercise, dude.
Nope.
One of the ways to get someone to play with him This dog chose a lucky person to play with him. This dude loves animation more than kids.
Bye. Smile. Give me a better smile.
At times like these, all we need is a confident smile.
Yeah.
Sure, the rain will ruin the dog's coat.
I know, buddy. You want some cookies? Okay. Yeah?
Okay, so the next one would be
Bow. Bow.
This guy can create their cues with their own. That's smart.
Pa. Pa. Wow.
Everyone loves flowers. So does this puppy.
Oh my gosh.
Hey. Hey. Bruno. 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 Good boy. You guys are a good boy.
Hey.
Hey, Mommy.
Hey.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah, you got your good.
When a man sleeps at home, the dog monitors 24/7.
River. River.
If we had the most resilient dog award, it would definitely belong to this girl.
Stop. No. River. Why'd you do that?
This puppy has a talent for being a future dancer.
Very good. You good?
Maybe the dog realized it was a food he didn't like. When you own a dog, you will surely understand this happiness.
You ate, you went out, you chased bunnies all day, you had snacks, now you're lounging on the couch. What more do you want? What? What?
7.
When you're still sleepy, but your mom still wakes you up to exercise, be like,
Kush, do your eyes. Make them small. Make them real small.
the dog is a good citizen because he always obeys traffic safety laws. Don't worry, this dude just climbs onto the roof to see the scenery better.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this.
Seeing bread for the first time, so the dog was so excited to taste it. Even the dog can't resist the scent of the blanket. Dog's reaction when he sees idol. Huh? This ball can't move? Working and sunbathing, the dog's daily job. Do you find my body sexier with this pose? When the mother dog is tired of the puppy's play. When you try to get something but you are too short, like